Hey there! Today I'll walk you through the pantry, freezer, and food storage tracker. If you've ever bought something you already had three of, or found a forgotten bag of something at the back of the freezer months past its prime, this one's for you. It keeps track of everything in your kitchen, warns you before food expires, and turns what's running low into a ready-made shopping list. Let's dive in. We begin on the Start Here tab. It's a simple welcome page that explains how the workbook fits together and the easiest order to fill it in. A minute here saves you a lot of guessing later. The Settings tab comes next. This is where you set up your own categories, storage locations, and units, so the whole workbook speaks your language and your drop-down menus stay tidy. Now the fun part. The Pantry tab is home base for all your shelf-stable food, the cans, grains, snacks, and staples. You log what you have, the quantity, and a best by date. And the workbook keeps an eye on it for you. The Fridge tab does the same for everything chilled. Fresh items move fast, so having a clear list of what's in there, and when it needs to be used, helps you eat it before it's lost. The Freezer tab is where a lot of food quietly disappears, so this tab is a lifesaver. Log each item and its date frozen, and you'll always know what's in there and what to thaw next. The Shopping List tab is the magic step. As items run low or run out across your pantry, fridge, and freezer, they flow right into this list. So building your grocery run takes seconds instead of a scavenger hunt through the kitchen. The Waste log is a gentle little accountability tab. When something does get thrown out, you jot it down, and over time you'll spot patterns, the things you keep overbuying, so you can shop smarter and waste less money. Finally, the dashboard ties it all together. It shows what's expiring soon, how many items are low, and a snapshot of everything you have. So one glance tells you if it's a shopping day or a use-it-up day. And that's the whole tracker. It works in both Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, so you can check it right from your phone in the grocery aisle. The link to grab your copy is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and happy organizing!